The opposition Congress in Assam, fraught with defections, may face an uphill task in challenging the BJP in the upcoming assembly elections. The Congress, which has been out of power since 2016, will have to battle the prowess of the BJP's organizational base, Chief Minister Himanta Sarma's proactive leadership, and the various developmental initiatives and welfare measures initiated by the incumbent BJP government. Here is a SWOT analysis of the Congress in Assam. The anti-incumbency factor against the ruling party may be in Congress's favor. It has the advantage of securing the support of minority voters, particularly Bengali-speaking Muslims. Gaurav Gogoi winning the Jorhat Lok Sabha constituency by a comfortable margin, despite the ruling BJP putting its entire machinery behind its party candidate in 2024, and the Congress again projecting him as the chief ministerial face this time, will considerably boost the party's morale. The Congress has faced several reverses in Assam in the last 1 decade, since the present Chief Minister quit the party along with many others to join the BJP. The most recent blow came when former State President Bhupen Bora and 3 other MLAs joined the Saffron Party. The opposition party's lack of a unified organizational structure, particularly in the grassroots, will also work against it, and this is most evident from the shifting of allegiance of tea garden workers, once its major vote bank, towards the BJP during assembly and parliamentary elections since 2014. The Congress's opportunity lies in capitalizing on the anti-incumbency factor to swing the verdict in its favor. The party can also take advantage of the disgruntled elements within the ruling NDA alliance and induct them into the party. The quitting of prominent leaders and also workers is a continuing threat that adversely affects the party. The ruling NDA's organizational and administrative machinery also pose a challenge to the Congress in Assam.